Welcome to 6928 North Meadows Pass in Dexter, Michigan. This fabulous 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch has over 2,100 square feet of living space with an open floor plan, newly refinished maple hardwood floors, newer carpet, and cathedral ceilings throughout. The spacious kitchen has an island overlooking the great room and an oversized breakfast nook which offers plenty of counter and cabinet space. The large master suite has its own deck access with great views of the private backyard, and its own master ensuite with double vanity, shower, soaking tub, and a walk-in closet. If additional living space is what you need, then the unfinished basement is waiting. It includes 9-foot ceilings, daylight windows, and is plumbed for an additional bathroom. Enjoy the spectacular landscape in the private backyard. Take comfort in knowing you will always have power with the whole house natural gas generator. New updates include high-efficiency furnace, guest bath remodel, hot water heater, microwave oven, and a resealed driveway. For more information about this property or any other property, please contact your realtor.